Here's a 2013 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Bluetooth hands-free link, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power with tilt-down heated mirrors. Of the Odyssey's interior, Popular Mechanics describes it as astonishingly comfortable, very versatile, and exceptionally high quality. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website. Call, click, or stop in today.